Hi there, this is Mr. Z from Zombe Tutorials with a quick tip on how you can maximize your performance in your upcoming exam. CAPS document. We've got something called a CAPS document, which simply means the Curriculum Assessment Policy Document. This is a document that gives you a summary of what content is supposed to be taught in a particular subject. So an easy way to get this document is to go to Google, type in your Google, go to Google search engine, and then you go to Google, and then you're going to type in the CAPS. Type in the words, the keywords will be CAPS documents for that particular subject that you're interested in. So if you're interested in Maths Lit, then you type in Maths Literacy, and then you search. And then it's going to give you a number of options of websites that do carry that. So you can choose education.gov. That's one website that I recommend for you, but currently it's down, so we can't go to that one. And then there's this one here again. This is a very wonderful website. That's WCED. That's the Western Cape Department. So you're going to click on that. It will take you to the website. Then you download the CAPS document. And just a quick tip, guys. Just a quick tip here, guys. This is 2.97 megabytes. That is a very, very small size. And I believe it's just too rand. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say there's no reason really for us to be underperforming or not doing well in our subjects when we've got all this technology at our disposal. Just a rush hour bundle, you can download lots of papers. So here we're looking at the curriculum policy statement. So this is what it will look like. So now there we go, we've downloaded it. Now you have it on your phone, you have it on your device, and then this is how you use it. So you must be able to scroll through it. There it is. It's like this. It's yellow and all nice and orange, and then it's going to give you a timeline. Actually, it introduces what the subject is, and then it also gives you a timeline on what is supposed to be covered by the teacher or by that particular individual who's going to sit for the exam. So it's important because if you have it, you now know whether your teacher is behind or whether you are ahead, whether you have covered everything. This is why I'm saying it's a very vital tool that will help you maximize your performance in your upcoming exam. So it not only gives you a timeline, but it specifically outlines what you're supposed to be doing at that particular in that particular topic. And most of all, it also gives you again the mark allocations that you can expect in that paper and how they are going to be asking the questions, what cognitive levels they're going to be using. So it's important that you understand that you need to have a CAPS document. So any subject, simply go to your Google search engine, search for it, and you download it. And it was a very vital tool, and I believe it is going to help you to maximize your performance in this upcoming exam period. So here, this is just an example of grade 11, term 4. These are the topics that you're supposed to cover. So when you see you're not yet here, then that means you have to try and study harder or ask your teacher for extra less classes so that you can cover according to the document. Remember, the CAPS document is released for all the educators in South Africa so that all the classes will be ready to sit for the national exam at the end of the year. So I believe it's a very vital tool that will help you maximize your performance in the upcoming exams. This is Zombe Tutorials and Mr. Z signing out. Remember to like, comment, share our content, and most of all, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.